Hello everybody, hello, it's me again, my sister, my friend Lady J. And if you have not subscribed for my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more videos, you will be the first person to know. And if you have subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you. I just come across one video now. I want to talk to now where they carry bring us girl come house. Now I want really talk to today because one video when I see when all those women will be say the husband go to work, the wife they work, maybe say they don't even get time for their children, they'll go carry as girl, they take care of them. Okay, you see the way this girl now they maltreat that small pikin. Because I see the video just now, the thing just tired me really. I said no, I must talk for this video really. Now what they carry as girl put for house, I beg. Make una dey get time till they wash una children and their body. Whether any mark, whether this as girl they really take care of them the way una think. Because I go put the video more na see am. You understand? So as girl for house for me me be waiting me like because me not feel comfortable at all. As girl lie. I not try am. It's either that they collect your husband from you or they maltreat your children. See the way this and the way I see the picture, they able to take care of the girl well. They take care of the girl well. The way will come make her go they beat that small pikin like that. Yeah? See the way they beat the small pikin. So as girl, not good. According to the video, even the way they write, the thing too long. I was make I post about it long, How the man they take care of this girl, how he take am as his own pikin, But wait one to pay am back now to come the beat the pikin. It's not good now. It's not good, my people. It's not good. I beg. As girl, if they bring good now, they can't employ una for house. If you know say enough, you do the work. Not be the one way you come they maltreat the children. It's not good. You go see born tomorrow. This one I even small girl. It's not good. Una wey they carry as girl put for us now. Una me they talk to so. As girl or as boy or me I don't know. Anyone me I not like anyone for house. So you wey they carry as girl put for house. I beg. Get time till they know whether they really they take care of them or they beat them. Just get time till they look am I beg. You hear? Now you where they carry as get for us. Now you I they talk to. So I go put the video more and see the video more and see what that small girl they do to that small boy. More and see him. Because really the thing really they vex me. That make I just they provoke like this so my people, No problem, my people. Now do well. Thank you everybody and take care. Now this short video I just want to talk for the matter. So I will put the video when I will see him. Wanna see what he ask why ask don't go to carry for house. So thank you everybody and take care and subscribe and like my video. Share this video please. And wanna share this video so that make you reach those people who they say they don't they use ask they play with they always employ ask for us. I don't say some not good though, some good but bad ones they many pass. So take care everybody and bye.